Nothing makes me happier than being somewhere I've never been. Seeing something I've never seen. Living in that special moment. Being in nature reminds me that there are other worlds out there. Worlds not governed by politics, not blinded by beliefs, not manipulated by currency. Just pure, uncorrupt existence. Surviving is hard, and living can be scary. But what frightens me the most is wasting what we have here, right in front of us. This is Richard D. Swingler. Keep chasing whatever is your life adventure.